Hi everyone, it's Adam with Worldwide Stereo. Today, I'm going to do a showcase for you on the brand new Sonos Amp. So the original Sonos Amp came out over 10 years ago and it's been a phenomenal product, powering speakers and giving you all the music streaming services you could ever want. But people wanted more power. That's what they were after, and they delivered in this product right here. The new Sonos Amplifier now has 125 watts per channel compared to the old Connect amplifier, which had 55 watts per channel. And they also upgraded all of the inputs on the back, giving you more connectivity than you know what to do with. So some of the design features that they changed, you can notice that this is actually smaller than the original Connect amplifier. The Connect amplifier was a little bit taller, and they made it so that if you put two of these side by side, they're exactly the same width as a standard audio component, so they'll fit in the rack nicely. Also on the back of it, if you so choose, you'll see there's an optional wall mount that you can get from either Flexon or Sonos. They make brackets so you can mount this on the wall with also coverings to cover the terminals on the other side. On the bottom here, they've left a gap for ventilation, so airflow actually flows through the bottom and then out the top of this ring. And I want to call to the ring too, the other design element here is that they tried to make this look like physical media, so a record or a CD. It's circular in that fashion, so they made that design feature for this amplifier. Let me spin this around, we'll look at the back and I'll show you what it's got now. So you can use now, instead of the spring clips that it came with for your speakers, you can actually use banana jacks. Supplied in the box will be 2 banana jack adapters, so you can take raw wire, plug those in, and put them right in here. Or if you already happen to have pre-terminated cables with banana jacks on them, they'll fit right into these slots. You have 2 network jacks on the back. Now you can connect this with Wi-Fi. I would recommend that you hardwire it to your network, but it does have Wi-Fi built into it as well. One of the newest feature sets you'll find on this new Sonos amplifier is an Hdmi connection with the audio return channel or ARC technology built in. So simply connecting this to a compatible TV that has ARC, you can now plug speakers into this and get your audio from your TV and use your remote control from either your cable box or your TV's remote to control the volume. Some of the connectivity that they kept from the old unit, you have a standard analog auxiliary input, so you can connect a CD player or maybe a turntable with a built-in phono stage, and it also has a subwoofer output if you wanted to use somebody else's subwoofer. Inside the app, you'll come to find everything that you expect from Sonos and have in the past, which also now includes wireless streaming. All your services are there, your music library, Apple Music, Spotify, whatever you want, you can stream right to this device. You'll also find bass and treble controls. Some configurations for this product, you could simply plug it into a pair of speakers and that's your audio setup. You could plug it into a pair of speakers and add a subwoofer to it. You could plug in 2 pairs of speakers to this if you want to do 2 in ceiling or 2 outdoor speakers. The amplifier is strong enough to handle that. Or you could max this thing out with a 4.1 virtually almost all wireless setup. By connecting your 2 passive front speakers, you could then add a wireless Sonos subwoofer and wireless rears for the Play 1s from Sonos and have a 4.1 setup for surround sound. When I auditioned this product and actually listened to it up against the old Connect amplifier, I immediately noticed the power increase out of this piece and it was great. A lot more detail, bass response, sheer output, everything about it was better. It's everything we've been asking for. We wanted more power and Sonos delivered. So with all these new features built into the Sonos Amp, you'd expect that there'd be a good price increase. Only $100, I was astonished. So this is now $599 compared to the old Connect amplifier at $499. Well worth the extra $100. This is the new Sonos Amp. It'll be available online, or if you happen to be in the area, you can stop by our Montgomeryville or Ardmore, Pennsylvania showrooms. We have a 60-day return policy. We offer free shipping, and we're an authorized dealer for everything that we sell. If you have any specific questions about the product, you can leave them in the comment section below, or better yet, call or email us at any time. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media channels. This is Adam with Worldwide Stereo, reminding you to listen to music every day. So long.